There is increase in the number of online businesses, and with this increase, there is also increase in demand of thermal printers. Basically, there are two types of thermal printer: thermal transfer printer and direct thermal printer. The main difference between thermal transfer and direct thermal printer is that thermal transfer printer uses a thermal paper and waxed ribbon to give print, and direct thermal printer uses just a thermal paper to give print. Durability of thermal transfer print is much more than direct thermal print. Direct thermal printer are less costly, but direct thermal paper are more costly. But again, thermal transfer paper is less costly, but cost of printer is high and ribbon is an additional cost. Selection of either of the printer mostly depends on your usage. If you are in e-commerce or cloud kitchen business, then direct thermal printer is more suitable for you because you don't need highly durable prints. Also, direct thermal paper are more easily and widely available in market. Now let's discuss direct thermal printer. Direct thermal printer are mainly of two types: label printer and receipt printer. In this video, I will show you working of label and receipt printer. Here we have 80 mm gauge PRT receipt printer, and here we have 79 mm receipt paper inside it. Let's adjust and fix the receipt paper so that we can take out printouts. Here we have Shreya's label printer. This is how it opens. This is how it looks from inside. This is how it looks from rear side. On rear side, it has on and off switch, power slot and slot for USB cable. This is the label for label printer. Let's adjust and fix the label to get the label printer ready for printing. This is how we have to pass the label from inside. It should be slightly outside before we close it with a click sound. Receipt printer is battery based, but label printer runs directly from this 24 volt AC to DC adapter. Let's put adapter pin to slot in printer and power it on. When it gets power on, it detects the type of paper we are using, that is, if it's a label paper or a receipt paper, and according to that, the sensor inside it adjusts the paper. Next, we will use My Print Service app in App Store to take out some printouts. So for this, first we have to connect the printer via Bluetooth. When we hear two beeps sound, that means it's connected successfully. Next, we can adjust the area we have to print in the PDF label and tap print button. Within matter of seconds, we got our printout. Let's check the print quality. It's quite deep and good quality print. The QR code and the barcodes are easily readable. There are no breaks in between and the print quality looks pretty good. Now let's check out our receipt printer. For receipt printing, we are using Raw BT app on Play Store. Here also we need to first select the area which we want to print in PDF. Okay, because we are connecting the printer for first time, we need to select the printer in settings. We also need to select the 3-inch size because our paper is of 3 inch. Rest of the setting looks good to me. Let's search the printer and select it. Again we have to adjust the print area. So the print size again went back to 2 inch. So the print is not on full width. Let's set it to 3 inch again and once again try printing. Oh, again we have to select printed area because it's not saving the configuration. Okay, finally there is full width printout, but you can see the receipt printer print is not as deep as label printer print. It's only suitable for printing receipts. It won't be able to handle paper for printing label. I hope you found this video informative. Do check out calsob.com for home automation products at reasonable price. Link in description.